Sant Shri Asharamji Bapu, Messiah of the Poor, has many names in the tribal areas. Seera Wale Baba, Chhach Wale Baba, Khichdi Wale Baba, Kambal Wale Baba and Mithai Wale Baba. Years ago, these names were given to Bapuji as on every Deepavali, Bapuji used to visit these areas for doing satsang, making the devotees chant sacred Hari Om and also relate advantages of resounding sacred Hari Om. He would also gift blankets, clothes, sweets, utensils and many more useful things to them on a large scale. Anti-national and anti-social elements plotted a conspiracy to keep Pujya Bapuji away from this benevolent service so that tribals are deprived of the divine satsang and Hari Om Kirtan, and these tribals could be manipulated for the advantage of these elements. But Bapuji is truly Bapuji. Even today, the volunteers from thousands of samitis, Bal Sanskar Kendras, Yuva Seva Sanghs and Mahila Utthan Mandals roam around across the length and breadth of the country to conduct Kirtan processions. They make the whole environment resonant with the sacred chant of Hari Om and also organize distribution of community food in those areas. Let's have a few glimpses of these bhandaras. Shri Yog Vedant Seva Samiti Badmer, Rajasthan conducted an 8-day rally during which Bhandara was conducted at every stop as it proceeded. On 1st November 2021, under the supervision of Sadhvi Rekha Behen, satsang and massive Bhandara were organized at Undithal tribal area of Gogunda region. Packets of raw grains, clothes, oil, sweets, blankets, shoes and other utility items were given to the poor tribals.
ऐसे भंडारे और ये कितने आते हैं हर साल.
Every year throughout India, these bhandaras and rallies are conducted with the approval from Pujya Bapuji. This year, our bhandara is in the Gogunda region. With the divine inspiration from Pujya Bapuji, every year we celebrate our Deepavali with poor people only.
And this scene is from Panched of Ratlam district in Madhya Pradesh. Here, Diwali gifts were distributed to poor people in the ashram premises. Along with utensils, clothes, noble literature, etc., money was also given to them. Goregaon Ashram and Mumbai Samiti also arranged bhandaras. Here, noble impressions were inculcated in small children. In a lively manner, they were educated the significance of worshipping the sun god, chanting Om, and why we need to do pranayam. Children affably and enthusiastically learned and performed Hari Om Kirtan. All were gifted tubs, clothes, grains, sweets and Pujya Bapuji's calendar also. Now, let's move towards Hisar. In addition to food, Diwali sweets, earthen lamps, oil etc. were distributed. Here, everyone greatly enjoyed bhajan kirtan and delicious food. Diwali Bhandara was arranged on a large scale in Katni, Madhya Pradesh also. Dear ones of Bapuji reached certain inaccessible places also. On Diwali, they went from door to door and presented useful things to poor people. In Delhi also, the youth of Yuva Seva Sangh, along with the ashram and samiti, arranged bhandaras at many places and distributed utility items. On receiving these packets, poor people thanked Bapuji from the bottom of their heart. And this is a scene from Veerpur Lunawada Ashram, where the poor and deprived were given delicious food and were also gifted packets of utility items. In Kandhamal district of Odisha, Shri Yog Vedant Seva Samiti organized Satsang Kirtan and Bhandara on a large scale to provide benefit to thousands of impoverished people. In it, they were distributed things of daily use such as blankets, oil, clothes, soaps, etc. Free Ayurvedic medicines were also distributed. At several places, Kirtan rallies were conducted and people benefited from the satsang by Sadhvi Jyotsna Behan and Sadhvi Amulya Behan. Bhandaras were also arranged in the Ahwa Dang district of Gujarat by Surat Gurukul and Yuva Seva Sangh. So, these were some glimpses of Deepavali feast as inspired by Pujya Bapuji. In addition to these, there are many places where bhandaras were arranged for the poor, but our camera could not reach there. In these bhandaras, millions of people chanted the pious name of Lord Hari, Omkar, and took a resolve that saints and culture should be duly protected.